As a busy mom of 6 kids and a dog, keeping the house clean can feel impossible. A mere 24 hours after a sweep and mop, and my floors are covered in crumbs and stickiness and muddy paw prints. But this Eufy C20 all-in-one vacuum has made things so much easier. Let me show you why. First off, the Eufy Omni C20 comes with an all-in-one station that does everything for me. Seriously, it empties the smaller particles from the dustbin, auto-washes and dries the mop, refills the water tank, and even empties the dirty water. The station uses room temperature air to dry the mop, so no more wet messes or musty smells. It also has transparent water tanks, which makes it super easy to monitor the water levels without having to open the tanks. The only things I have to do regularly are fill the clean water and empty the dirty water at the station, and empty the in-vacuum dustpan of lint and larger particles every week or so. This hands-free system takes all the hassle out of cleaning, and I love it. Next, let's talk about the ultra slim design. At less than 3.5 inches tall, the C20 is so slim it can easily slide under my beds, desks, and couches, reaching some spots that literally haven't been touched for years. It's been a lifesaver for those hard-to-reach areas and saves me from doing a lot of manual work. Now let's get to what really matters, the cleaning power. The Omni C20 has incredible suction, and I love that I can customize it to my need with 4 different suction levels: quiet, standard, turbo, and max. It recommends using one of the higher levels for homes with kids and pets, so we've mostly been using turbo with an occasional boost to max. And I've observed that even on these high settings, the battery still lasts a long time, usually around an hour and a half, vacuuming and mopping on high power up to 800 square feet in a single charge. Between the roller brush and the side brush, it can pick up dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and even larger debris without breaking a sweat. It works great on all my floor types, though it does occasionally miss a crumb or two if the floor is really messy. Now here's the part that's really exciting to me, and the reason I chose this over other vacuum mop combos: the C20's Mop Master Technology. The mop rotates 180 times per minute with some pretty decent pressure, so it can handle even the stickiest messes on my floors. And it can vacuum and mop at the same time, which saves a ton of time and energy. I also love that it shifts seamlessly from vacuum only on carpet to vacuum and mop on hard floors. I can control everything through the app, making the whole cleaning process incredibly efficient and easy. I can't even explain how excited I am that this little machine saves me hours every day and allows me to have a cleaner home despite the chaos. So if you're looking for a robot vacuum that really does it all, the Eufy Omni C20 is the way to go. From its auto-emptying and water-filling station to its ultra-slim body and powerful suction, it's been a total game changer for keeping my house clean. I really love this, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love a like or follow. And if you're interested in any of the products featured, there's a link in the description below.